Application Scenario 1. Kitchen Waste Disposal Station. Cabinet designed on its own wheels. Very easy to transport and install. Stainless steel housing, clean and simple. Mainly for kitchen waste disposal. Easy to operate, plug and play. Solar energy can also be used, energy saving and environmental protection. Touch screen control. Automatic lifting and lowering. Garbage disposal in progress. Biochemical treatment into organic fertilizers. Dries to a solid fertilizer. Waste mitigation. 100 kilograms of waste transformed into 3 kilograms of organic fertilizers. Can be used as organic vegetable fertilizer. The treatment process does not generate wastewater and exhaust gas. Carbon credit collectors are available and can be traded. Product models are 300 kilograms, 500 kilograms, 1,000 kilograms, 3,000 kilograms, 5,000 kilograms. Product list. Welcome to inquire by phone. Email sc@sunefund.cn WhatsApp +861 8985 for 48576.